Naghahanap ka ba ng murang monitor pero magandang specs? Gusto mo ba dalhin yung gaming experience mo sa next level? Guys! Ito na yung sagot sa questions niyo. Ang Xiaomi 34-inch gaming monitor. Hi guys, this is Jessica, your Tech Talk girl, and welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Here are the specs ng Xiaomi monitor. 3440 x 1440 ultra clear resolution. Cinematic look of 21:9 aspect ratio. 34-inch diagonal length. It can display 16.7 million colors, up to 300 nit brightness. According to Xiaomi, it covers 121% sRGB, 144Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync synchronization technology, typical 3000:1 contrast ratio, low blue light mode, 1500R curvature design. Wow guys! Ang ganda ng specs! Ang best part pa nun is yung price. Sa Shopee, ang estimate niya is 24,000 to 28,000. Sa Lazada naman, it's 25,000 to 27,000 pesos only. Para sa mga naghahanap ng cheaper monitor, meron kayong alternative from Xiaomi. Ito ay yung Xiaomi Redmi Monitor 1A. Ang monitor na to ay 23.8-inch Full HD, 1920 x 1080, 60Hz refresh rate. Pwede rin kayo bumili ng multiple monitors and ipagtabi-tabi for better visual experience and better multitasking. Pero I won't go any further. Kung gusto nyo pa ng further review regarding sa Xiaomi Redmi Monitor 1A, please comment down below. I'll put the link in the description below kung saan nyo to mabibili. Tara! Let's go back to the Xiaomi 34-inch curved monitor at i-unbox na natin. Nakikita niyo yung video? Ang laki ng box. Ang bigat niyan. Hirap akong buhatin. Ayan, finally, natanggal ko na rin yung outer box. So, ang first pouch, mayroon itong DisplayPort cable, power cord, and the thumb screw. And lastly, the user manual. Guys, yung first half ng manual is naka-Chinese language siya. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala, may English language rin ito. Next ay yung hex studs and yung wall mount screw. Guys, naka-VESA mount ito. Sorry, pero hindi ko mapapakita sa video na ito kung paano mag-install sa wall mount. Don't worry guys, may papakita ko sa inyong picture. Itong picture na ito is step by step kung paano mag-install sa wall mount. Makikita niyo to sa inyong manual. Guys, next naman yung base. Makikita niyo may quality talaga. Next is yung stand. Guys, i-attach nyo lang yung stand sa base. Mabilis lang siyang gawin. As you can see, yung back part ng stand, may open kang makikita. Pag open mo nyan, may makikita kang installation instructions para sa cable management. Guys, ito na yun! This is what we are waiting for. The Xiaomi 34-inch curved monitor. Guys, sa video, mukha siyang maliit, pero malaki talaga siya. Nakita na yung butas? Diyan ikakabit yung stand. Guys, later papakita ko sa inyo paano mag-install. Mabilis lang yan. Yung monitor niya has slim bezels on 3 sides minimalistic yung design niya. So guys, idikit na natin ang thumb screw. It will add support sa stand. Next guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano i-attach yung stand sa monitor. May maririnig kayong click sound. Kung gusto nyo maalis yung stand, press nyo lang yung quick release button. Sa likod ng monitor, may makikita kayong Xiaomi logo at saka 5 buttons. Meron siyang menu or select button, up button, down button, exit or go back button, and lastly, yung on-off button. Yung adjustable bracket, pwede mag-rotate. Pwede rin mag-tilt. Pwede rin mag-lift. Guys, itong stand may magnetic cover. Gaya rin nitong likod, meron na yung magnetic cover. Naisip nila yun? Galing talaga ni Xiaomi. Guys, sa likod makikita nyo meron siyang 2 HDMI port, 2 display port, 1 audio port, at 1 AC port. Turo ko sa inyo paano yung sa wire management. Guys, I really love how it looks. Simple, pero mukhang mamahalin. Guys, I love the small details. Katulad nitong Xiaomi logo. Simple lang siya. Sa part na to, yung cable management naman. Para hindi makalat sa table nyo. Tsaka yung small bezels. And of course, the specs and price. Who wouldn't love this WQHD 144Hz 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor? For more in-depth review of the Xiaomi 34-inch curved monitor, please subscribe and watch me on my upcoming videos. Hope you guys learned something from my YouTube video. This is Jessica, your Tech Talk girl, and see you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys!